Yo, daddy say if you come clean out the house.
I clean up, wipe out today. I hear day, brother. I'm not clean up.
So why if I'm idea?
I hear day today.
Daddy say you go clean
No,
out.
I'm not clean the house.
Get up and clean the thing, brother. You know, you cannot talk back to daddy and talk back to... I'm a bigger one, yeah?
My business is one bigger
one. I'm a bigger one, yeah? You clean out that man. And talk like you're a bad boy.
I'm not clean the house, brother.
Alright, don't clean out your seat, daddy don't lick you on your face.
Daddy lick who?
When he lick you on your face, I'm going to help him lick you on your face, yeah? Actually, you catch second from you think you're a bad boy. You lick you on your face, yeah?
You want me go to Clifton, I'll be Clifton, call Clifton for him.
No, call Clifton. Call Clifton. You know how long me and daddy want to kill Clifton? Ramp with me.
Yo, brother, are you near me KFC out of fridge?
Which KFC?
Brother, are you near me
KFC never.
Are you near me KFC out of fridge?
Alright, if me near me KFC, and what?
We are near me KFC for that.
What?
KFC for me, brother.
So why if daddy...
Brother, nobody touch me KFC, brother.
Winston, come hold this. Winston, come hold this. So you don't want to go.
Me lick you.
No, ramp with me, girl. What's up? Come on, man. Me show you. God, daddy now beat you from with you, me. I show you who me is. Yeah,
look at me because me call Clifton for you.
You call him.
Call Clifton and the uncle for you. Uncle. Walk on in me yard. Stop. Stop it. Stop that. Beat him. I am jumping in here.
Shut your mouth. What kind of word is it? You saw you lick me upon my nose with a while ago, Jaffet. We're not supposed to live in a unity. Why every other brother or sister can live good? But who know if you war.
I'm the one who chase you to the fridge and...
Tell him no one else is sorry, man. Tell him sorry, Jaffet.
I am sorry. I am sorry, Marvin.
Tell him sorry now, Marvin.
I am sorry.
No, how can you one another now? Backside. Live in a unity, man. Me they don't panic now and be a war.
Jesus Christ. What are you gonna do now? My good Christian house. Hey man, put my favorite choker in them in your bag.
Mommy, this serious, you know?
They're gonna look for your birth certificate, them and passport. Bring them 3 figure reader. We need the figure reader.
Mama, we cannot bring everything. Please just get a light bag and go to the shelter.
Okay man, make sure you take up the settee.
Mommy, them just have to pack a light bag, 1 bag, and then go to the shelter.
Wait. Why so much plate in I sink? No. Okay man, go wash your plate them.
Mommy, what meteorite boat for it earth? We not gonna have no house. And if we not hurry up, we not gonna have no life, mommy.
Okay, but I tell you something like no dirty plate in the house and you know what should plate them. Go wash it.
Jesus. What? You can't stop me. Me have shield. Me have shield on me.
You can't.
Me have invisible
But
shield.
them I wonder where I got stab up his shield.
Jaffet, you can't stop me.
I mean if me can't stop
if
them,
you stab his shield, I'm invisible.
Look. Remember say I two of them. Man, you lick me on my finger.
You can't lick me.
Me tired too. Me I go for bag juice.
We are go come. If you stab invisible shield.
Take time drinking bag juice before you throw. Where you go? Go back, go in the yard. Go back, go play with Marvin. You not worry about Marvin. Marvin not going here.
No, me not going here.
Shut up. Go by your yard, Marvin. Go up to that.
All right, Pop.
Tell Marvin later.
Later, Marvin. Later, Jaffet.
You know, play Friday. What you do Friday? Go in the yard, man. Nobody go back outside.
Every time me have fun, Pops has me and me.
Where you say all ago?
Nothing, Pops.
Daddy. Me can't put the TV on cartoon.
No, leave it. Me watch the TV.
Daddy, but you asleep.
Leave it alone. Do not change it for we pop your neck. I better say me bust your face. No, change it if you're bad, man.
But you like
I can see it.
But you feel watching with your eye lock.
So what if me eye lock? I can see it. I see the light. Jesus make me can see the light. Come out of here before me bust your face. Put on the remote. I am watching the TV. Not because me eye lock. No stick to me. I for TV. I who buy the TV. Come out of here, man. I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna go. I watch the TV. Yeah, perp.
Ah! Hey! Auntie, I send you up, man. So sweet. Oh, watch me nephew.
Yeah.
You turn such a big boy.
Yeah, him say me fi come spend holiday with you at town.
Yes, man, me know, man. Come, man. Oh, you tired of one little juice?
Yeah.
All
Can I
right.
sit down here, sir?
Now, man, may I show you a room because you're inside waiting on you. Such a big boy. Hold on, sit down just a little bit because inside kind of hot. I'm going to put you one little juice. Maybe you make suck for you. I want to tell you. Them hurt you? Them shoot you? Them kill you? No, what is it? It's gone, man? No, them hurt you.
Me want to go home back. Me want to go home back. Daddy can't leave me. Me want to go home back.
No.
Me want to go home. Me want to go home.
All right, turn the ball. You must stop.
Alright, no problem. Thank you very much, Gladys. I just in the on the road with high glass. Alright, thank you very much. I'm going to call him right now. Send him on the road for morning and him buy the fowl. And I reach back here with the fowl for cook for dinner.
Take time and watch your pressure, man. No, sir.
Yes, honey bun. Yes, honey bun. Me no bun high grade weed. A bush weed me bun. A mark give me my first weed. Jesus Christ, me I forgot what my daddy had taught me for. I said, if that boy not answer phone, I say, I want them daddy said me got a shop.
Me tell if you go on home.
Me go home.
Me tell if you go on home, I never want to listen.
And the one like chicken melt out. Jesus Christ. I feel your father.
And look over and me let you top 10 up on me road. Me let you if you go on home.
Yes, daddy. Japheth, where are you? I can't get taxi, daddy. Me go come home, daddy. I walking distance, me send you Japheth. How you can't get taxi? Just know some me know say the pan if he road with high glass. I go and pop your neck. Just remember say I go you wait till I reach you. Nothing I can bother put on again. Japheth me say if you don't reach in the next 2 minutes, me change the lock them pan the door. How hard? So when me give you a hinge, you take a mile. And when me give you a mile, you take a while. Japheth me say if you don't reach back here, you see. He hung up in me ears.
Me a beg for him, Magnus, sir. Never da kill him, Magnus, sir.
No, you know worry yourself, man. I go and fix him business. You wait till he reach you. Man, I go tell him, say you're man.
I'll be telling you go on home.
Lipton? Lippy? Hey, me nephew? Me sweet, oh, in there. Me sweet boy? Lip. You enjoy yourself,
Yeah?
Yes. You know, last day with me good because you know tomorrow you go home.
Tomorrow me a go home?
Yes, man, because my school start next week. I have to buy your shoes. I'll send those shoes and something with you.
Me no want to go home.
No, man, you have to go home, man.
Me
Next
no
week.
want to go home. Me no bother go home. Me no want to go home.
No, man, you have to go home. I mean, I keep on having one year, you know.
Me no want to go home. Me no want to go home.
No, man, don't worry about it, man. See, I get fat. Next year, you see auntie. Yes. Press up yourself.
Me no go home.
No, man, listen, come, man.
Me not going home.
Pack your bag and me put your breadfruit and something.
Me not go home tomorrow.
No, you have to go home tomorrow.
No.
Yes.
No. Me not go back to country. Me love up here.
No, man, me put in your school shoes and new bags.
Me not go home. Me not go home.
Man, the bloody roof, Marvin. Shoot him now. So, why you not shoot him? Sit in the bullet or not? Man, the bloody roof. Give me the phone then. School, I come up in the next few weeks. I don't know, I study. I don't think I waste my money. I'm at half of what is 5 times 2. Everyone. Please. Enough, Pauno. Now kill me,
Remember for watch your blood pressure, Magnus, sir.
Yes, honey bunch. I go and fix some business. We don't know how we waste my money. Read!
Madness, come make you calm down.
Alright, darling.
So as me I say now, nephew, this a way kind of broaden your horizon.
Yeah, make you see far and I few.
Yeah, make the eye kind of elevate pan a different type of perspective.
Oh.
You know see, this make you see Babylon from afar.
Yeah, man, you open up your third eye.
Your third eye, you ever hear about the third eye? And this make the eye can really sense certain feeling and certain energy before the energy reach you.
Yes, and it's shielded from the Babylon system.
Yeah, because when you burn them things, nephew, police can't see you.
They can't see you, none at all.
None at all you go. All them are going to see you instant.
Can't see you.
Just no make no man to bill your spliff like that.
Oh.
You know, see, if a man bill your spliff, you know, a man can have certain powers over you for kind of mad you in a sense. You know, see. You don't want to offer it, because this shield you from all type of curse and horror. Take two type. Take two.
Yeah. Let me tell you this split. Javed! What done? You only supposed to set example.
Let me now set the example for him, Aya.
Javed, come in blast in the yard. Later, uncle.
Go on to your father.
Winston, I hope that I am very much disappointed.
Me I make him know something hard from Babylon system, so they don't catch him in the earth.
I don't want that type of example. Shit house.
You want me chant up here? Chant. Things still I see. How you do? Aya? You idiot, Aya, you can't let you talk about.
Me find one pen. It alright. Me find one sweetie. Yeah, me find one sweetie. Put it right back. Look here, so they never tell us, don't go in a big people jar and search up. Put it right back. Boy, you find sweetie. I know that. I pull, you should have pull it. And you see what happened to you. Oh. The one of your canine them done. Oh. Boy, you find sweetie. Eh? That look like sweetie to your boy. What you find, you see? As something, it can save your life. But I'm not time to talk about that. So you just put it right back. Boy, you find sweetie. Put it right back.